Hello, Complete Comfort. This is Sisco from Amplified. Hey, I spoke with Jen earlier this morning, and as promised, I would go ahead and send out this free website audit. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So, looking at your guys' website, some of the things that I look for is I look for content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? But do you also have keywords? Okay, and a keyword is basically anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Now, you want to have those keywords within your content because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want to be found for. Okay, and currently I don't see much, but hey, good looking website, by the way. But I am looking for those keywords. For example, if you do AC repair in Jupiter, having that keyword AC repair Jupiter is crucial to have on your website. Now, let's jump over to this tab here. This tab here, this is Arrows. This is a tool that I use that helps you understand how strong your website is performing. So let's jump over to this section. So this is your strength or your authority. And currently you're being indexed at 13, and this is your trust, and you're being indexed at 1.5. Now, this section here, this is your backlinks, okay? And you're probably wondering, well, what's a backlink? So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links act like an endorsement for your website. And now, however, not all backlinks though are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. For example, if you were to get a backlink that is from a pizzeria, it could actually hinder your overall scores. And currently, right now, you have close to 2,000 backlinks with 213 referring domains. Now these are just one factor that affects these specific scores. But let's go over to here. This is the organic keywords. And what I'm looking for is, do you have buyer intent keywords? Okay, and the reason why I'm looking for buyer intent keywords is because those specific keywords that I'm looking for are what customers tend to search for, specifically potential clients that want service. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's see if I see one. That way I can point it out to you guys. Here we go. AC Repair Jupiter. The reason why, once again, I want to emphasize that how this is so important is because if anyone's looking for AC Repair Jupiter, that means you're going to get a client within that service area because of Jupiter. Now, this here is the volume. This gives me an estimate of how many people are searching for this specific keyword every single month. Okay, and currently this is your position, meaning where are you currently positioned at on the Google pages, and you're 14, so that's typically like the second or third page of Google. So not bad. You still gotta do some work, but you're on your way for sure. Look at this, HVAC services Jupiter, volume is 30. Jupiter AC repair, volume is 60. But let's look over to your competition, okay? And like I did with your site, I'm looking for keywords, 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, which they have AC repair. Jupiter is the most reliable AC repair. Jupiter AC repair. Look at that. So they do have specific AC repair in Jupiter. So they're wanting to rank for this specific keyword. Now let's go to Arabs. Okay, so here, same thing how I did with yours. Let's look over their strength. They're currently indexed at 6, but look at their trust flow. They're being indexed at 40 and no backlinks. Now you're probably wondering, well, how is that possible? Why are they even being ranked? Well, it's because this is just the one page, okay? And look at the one page how they have it, AC Repair Jupiter. Now that's huge because this website must be a bigger website, so it's getting all its trust from the other pages. Now let's look at their organic keywords and see what they're currently being ranked at. And look, right away, AC Repair Jupiter, the same one, but look at their positions. Number 3. Okay, so they're at the first pages of Google. Now let's just take AC Repair Jupiter and let's type it into Google and see what pops up. AC Repair Jupiter, and let's take it section by section. So look, this is the Google Guarantee section. So this is the Google Ads. So anytime you call or click on this, yes, the companies will get charged, but look, they're getting a potential client, a buyer intent client that wants to purchase now. And this is my favorite. This is the Google My Business page. The reason why it's my favorite, because typically with these, 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Some of the ways to increase these rankings is through reviews, optimize content, photos, and updating your potential clients on the Google My Business page. And the last thing is the organic listings. So we got Yelp, we got ECM Air Conditioning, and then we got Alford Air Conditioning, and so forth. And they're organically being ranked on the first page of Google. So like I mentioned, these folks are the ones that are going to get these calls, and they're going to increase their business, they're going to increase their revenue. And that is just for this specific keywords, and there's more. Anyhow, so this is just some best tips and tricks that I would definitely look into. If you guys have more questions as to how we can help you with these and help guide you, just shoot me an email. I would also love your feedback, your overall feedback on what you thought of this video. So email me back, or you can just give me a call back directly at 509-949-9300. Thank you for your time. We'll talk to you soon.